The purpose of creating a business page is to content, in the sense to post your content or to post your status, like what happened in the business, which product has been launched, okay, is there any job opportunities there in your business. To do that one, we are going to creating a business page and we are promoting our business. When you're promoting your business, we need to create a post. Okay, to create a post, I need to analyze a content, in the sense which content is trending as of now, so that I can get a more and more visitors to my business page. To do that one, we have to go to content here. To check that one, we have to go to content, and we have to check which type of the content is right now it is going to, in the sense in last 15 days, okay, which are the content has a most number of the engagement. You will come to know that, okay, this type of the content has an engagement level of 32%. 32% is nothing but a, if 100 times this particular content has been shown, okay, 32% of them has been like or comment, or they have been click and read the content. Okay, to check that one, if it is a more and more engagement is there, then only such content can be created, so that you will get a more and more website traffic. Okay, to check that one, we have to use this content analysis port. Okay, here you can do a analysis, like we can filter the content by page followers for your page itself. Okay, then employees belongs to you, like that. But as of now, we don't have a page followers and employees in our company, so you can check here all the LinkedIn members, they are creating a content in that belongs to e-learning. These are the contents we have, and you can see the business inside of the one content has been created. There is a zero layoff and an increase for that particular news. There is a 32% engagement, but you can go through the below, you can check the other content, there is a less engagement for the others also. Okay, so we have to check there is a what type of the content is required. For example, if you're targeting only India, then we have to check. Okay, if I target only India, which are the content, okay, these are the content, you can check there is engagement is higher for Indian content. Okay, for economics time they have been given this particular content. Okay, you will come to know that what type of content, okay, in which domain. Okay, we can check that there is no content related to business and development. Okay, only information technology, there is no content. If I select engineering, there is no content. Like this, you can select the your own, in the sense what type of the jobs you in that particular thing, what type of the content is there. Okay, and you can check the who has the content writer. Based on that also you can filter, so you will be able to get a fair idea about what type of the contents are in a news. Okay, and if you go to the company news, in the sense there is no company news yet. Okay, for example, you can check all the content analysis you can do by using this content tab. Before writing any post, first do small analysis, okay, which type of content is best for location wise and industry wise. Okay, and then you start writing by looking at one or two content. You can start writing about your content.